world is one click away. Pretty much sums up the 21st century in a sentence. Pretty much everything nowadays are accessible through one click. Want to socialize? Go Facebook or Twitter or Instagram, whatever you like. Want to be informed? Go Google or Bing, whatever you like. Want to be entertained? Go Google, go YouTube or iTunes, whatever you like. Want to listen? Go SoundCloud or Spotify. Wait, does Napster still exist? Thanks to this so-called internet, ever heard that? Everything is awesome. So, well, things happen so fast now. From the classic telegramma to bang, messenger. With one click, convenience hot on the dot. However, like ever, with so good comes with the bad and all that said. Lucky? Yes. Lucky, there's the law called E-Commerce Act of 2000. Big word. E-commerce means electronic commerce. So, electronic is defined as an operation with the use of computer and or a computer system. Commerce is defined as an activity that relates to buying and selling goods and services through internet. So, therefore, electronic commerce is then now the act of transacting, buying, and selling through the computer. Clear? Yes. This E-Commerce Act, aka RA 8792, covers pretty much everything that can be classified as online transaction. So, okay, what are they? First, legal legal recognition of electronic data messages, electronic documents, and electronic signatures.
Hey, we're gone.
E-Commerce Act of 2000. Ooh, big word. E-commerce meaning electronic commerce. Electronic is defined as an operation with the use of computer or a computer system. Commerce is defined as an activity relates to buying and selling goods and services. Electronic commerce is then now the act of transacting, buying, and selling through the computer. Clear? Yes. This Electronic Commerce Act, aka RA 8792, covers pretty much everything that can be classified as online transaction. So, what are they? First, legal recognition of electronic data messages, electronic documents, and electronic signature. Second, allows the formation of contacts in electronic form. Third, making banking transaction done through ATM switching network absolute once consummated. Fourth, online shopping. Fifth, provides guidelines as to when a service provider can be liable. Sixth, hacking and cracking, which includes introducing a computer virus, punishable by law, 100,000 from 6 months to 3 years in jail. Seventh, piracy through the use of telecommunication network, such as internet that infringes intellectual property rights. And eighth, Consumers Act also applicable to e-commerce law. Huh?
Today I will discuss to you the e-commerce law, Republic Act 8792. E-commerce is short for Electronic Commerce Act. This law is basically covering all the business transaction, online transactions through internet, mobile, gadgets. So every day, we are transacting something online, like banking, or we do our shopping. Then we find some stuff over the internet because we are what we call busy to do some errands on our own. And this is the most flexible way, by using the computer to buy anything that is not on our reach. Like when you go, you want to buy shoes, but still you have to go to the mall But right now, you can go to Lazada, Zalora, and you can choose whatever design you want. Just clicking your chosen item, check out, pay with your credit cards, and that's it. The next day or a few days later, you will receive your item. But with regards to this law, there are also some issues on what is the
I prepared
coverage
an
and the
illustration,
penalties
a
if you
illustration.
did not
The most
abide
common
this law.
use
Like
law
our
under e-commerce act.
our
Its penalties
ano ba yung
and
tawag?
our
Also our obligation with regards to using our gadgets. It doesn't mean that we have this, we can use it in anything that we want. Like the most common e-commerce law is the piracy. Copying one video, then reproducing it. Then one is also the cracking and hacking. So I hope you will have an insight regarding this law. This is very beneficial to us, especially in our new age, because in our everyday lives, I think we are not complete without our cell phone on our hand. Definitely. So I hope you enjoy watching it, and on the last part of my clip I said be aware of your rights. So we should be all aware what is really our rights as a human being. Okay?